What is up guys, welcome to NordVPN tutorial. At the end of this video, you'll be able to use all the features of NordVPN without any problem. Alright, first you need to click on the link in the description and download NordVPN for your desktop or for your iOS, and then creating your account and logging in it. If you're using desktop, Windows or macOS, this is what you're gonna see. This is your home page. We have a section here called a quick connect. So you don't have to go to the servers part and choose a server for yourself. If you are in a hurry, you can click on quick connect and it's going to be connected to the fastest server available. In this part, it's going to show you the recent connections. So I've recently connected to United States, Canada and United Kingdom. I have more connection options, of course, dedicated IP, double VPN, and etc. I'm going to talk about them soon. In this part, we have the Threat Protection Pro, and this is on right now. We can click on manage and turn it off if you want to. It's going to protect you against malware and trackers and ads real time, and I really recommend using it. You have some options like turning it off for forever, or pausing it for 2 hours, 30 minutes, or 5 minutes. For example, you're using a website and it doesn't function well because of this feature, so you're gonna pause it for 5 minutes, and then again, when you're using the app, you're going to close it and now it's going to work again. Also, we have the file protection. This feature is a prevention against malicious downloads. And again, you can pause it for 5 minutes, 30 minutes, 2 hours, or turn it off forever. And also we have the vulnerability detection. It's turned on right now. You don't have any choices for, I don't know, pausing it for 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It's going to alert you about vulnerable apps dedicated on your computer, something like an antivirus. And also it's going to show you the threats detected last 30 days. For example, 2 ads and trackers had been deleted and prevented on my computer, and also 1 vulnerability has been detected. Anyways, we have the file sharing, which is the meshnet part. I'm going to talk about it soon in the meshnet part. All right, let's go to the next part, which is the main section, servers. So now you can see the map of the whole world and all the servers available. We have the most servers in Europe, of course, and then on East Asia and United States. So let's say, for example, one of the best servers available in Europe is United Kingdom. And if you click on that, it's going to zoom it for you. Again, when it says 2, it means that 2 servers are available here. Again, I click on that, and we have the Ireland one, we have the Manchester, London. London is one of the fastest servers available for NordVPN. So for example, I click on that and it's going to connect itself automatically, but for now let's not connect. We have lots of other countries available on the map, but if you don't want to connect with the map, you can go to the more connection options and then scroll down until you see all the countries available. I think we have 111 countries available in NordVPN. I'm not really sure about the number, but there are a lot surely, and yeah, from different continents and different servers. And if you want any of them, for example, Philippines, you can click on that and you can easily get connected to that. All right, in the more connection options, when you open it up, you have the specialty service, devices in meshnet, and countries. I have already shown you the countries. For the specialty servers, we have the dedicated IP. In the dedicated IP, you can have your own IP and it's personalized. Nobody else can have that IP, even if they connect to the same server on NordVPN. So you're pretty sure that your IP is safe and dedicated to yourself. By using that, you just have to click on dedicated IP and get the dedicated IP. Anyways, we have the double VPN. The double VPN is so cool. It's going to let you connect to 2 VPNs at the same time. So if one of the VPNs get disconnected, your IP will not be leaked because another VPN is going to support it, so you are extra safe. I really recommend using this feature, but sometimes it might face some problems like low connection speed. Another great feature of the NordVPN is obfuscated servers. So when you're using a VPN like NordVPN, websites can detect that you're using a VPN. So some features might not be available for you because of the fact that they are aware of using VPN if you're doing that. So obfuscated servers are like servers that doesn't let any websites to know that you're using a VPN. So again, if you click on these three dots, we have the countries, different countries. But yeah, we can use the fastest server and click on the connect. And from now on, you are safe from websites knowing the fact that you're using a VPN. Next part is Onion over VPN. So if you're familiar with the Tor VPN and browser, you might know that it is one of the safest and most secure VPN and browser available. And yeah, if you click on that and or choosing the country that you want, it's going to connect to Onion over service, and it's extra safe. And also we have the P2P. If you want to, you can connect to any countries. That was all about the specialty service. And the next part is devices in MeshNet. I'm going to talk about the MeshNet in the MeshNet part. Here you can see the icon. All right, let's click on MeshNet. This is the icon for the MeshNet. And if you haven't connected any devices to your NordVPN, you can click on this one. So right now is on for me, but if you click on that, it's going to be on for you too. And then click on link devices, link external devices, and you can easily connect to other devices. So MeshNet is going to let you to connect and send or receive files and different datas by using NordVPN, ensuring that your data is not going to be leaked during the process of sending or receiving. So you're pretty sure that your data is safe. When you connect to other servers and personal devices, it's going to be shown here. And this device is right now this one, and I can rename it, for example, to something like me and saving it. So now it is easier for me to track different devices at the same time. And if you want to transfer any files by using MeshNet, you need to click on this icon and link personal devices or link external devices, and sending and receiving files from this specific section. And the last part is dark web monitor. It's going to get you alerted if your sensitive data is publicly exposed. So it's going to scan every dark web leaked data, hide your email address, password, phone number, or any other personal details, and it's going to alert you as fast as possible. All right, when you're done with all this part, the next part is the settings. We have the general connections, kill switch, and other features of the NordVPN. For example, in the general, you can set up your startup windows. So when you toggle it on, whenever you open up your computer and turn it on, it's going to be automatically opened up. So I don't want it, so I'm going to toggle it off. You can see the appearance, language, and etc. in the general box. For connections, you can choose the protocols. It is automatic right now, which is the recommended one. But if you cannot connect to any servers, you can change it here. You can have the auto connect, trusted Wi-Fi network, and use custom DNS in the connection part. And one of the best features of the NordVPN is kill switch. So kill switch is a feature that when your VPN gets disconnected, your internet will be disconnected as well. So your data and your IP will not be leaked at all. So this is a cool feature that you can use if you want to. Alright guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe.